Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I will show you how to clear browsing data on Microsoft Edge. This will help improve performance, free up space, and protect your privacy. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. In the left panel, click on Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down to the Clear Browsing Data section. Click on Choose what to clear. A pop-up window will appear where you can select the time range, like last hour or last 2 hour or last 24 hour or other. Then choose the types of data you want to delete. The options include browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and other. After selecting the data you want to remove, click on Clear Now. The browser will process your request and delete the selected data. That's it. You have successfully cleared your browsing data on Microsoft Edge. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.